Hey everybody, this is Dr. Scott and welcome back to the Chiropractic Minute. Today we're going to do an adjustment for you and it's going to be awesome. Robert, come on back here. I want to introduce you to a friend of mine. I want to introduce you to a friend of mine and a patient of mine, Robert. Robert, let me get your glasses. Go face down for me. All right, here. There you go. All right. So we're going to check his spine for vertebral subluxations, and we're going to introduce a force into that area and let the body make the correction. Your body's smarter than any doctor in the world, and it knows it doesn't like nerve pressure. Okay? Take a breath out here. Take one out here. Breathe and hold your breath in. Okay. Face me over here. Now Robert's been coming in for 2 years, once a week. And realize for new people, the adjustment takes a little longer. We take our time, we palpate and see what's going on with newer people. Robert's been coming in for a while. He's used to it. I'm used to his spine. Very easy now for him. Take a breath out. Beautiful. Go on your back. Grab a seat, Robert. Face the camera. Take a deep breath. You are a new man, my friend. And thank you, guys. Thank you. Until next time, the Chiropractic Minute.